Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Bean.
Hi there, I'm Avery.
And I'm Abby. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about something very useful for every traveler, asking for and giving directions.
That's right, finding your way in a new city can be scary if you don't know the right phrases. But don't worry, we're here to help.
We'll be doing some short role plays. First, we'll act out a situation, and then we'll stop and explain the important words and phrases we used. The key is to listen carefully. Let's get started with our first scenario. Imagine I'm a tourist and I need to find a bus stop. I'll ask Abby for help.
Excuse me, could you help me please?
Of course. How can I help?
I'm looking for the nearest bus stop.
The nearest bus stop. Okay, it's quite close. Go straight ahead on this street. Walk for about 2 blocks. You'll see it on your left, just past the big red mailbox.
So go straight for 2 blocks and it's on the left. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Okay, let's pause there. That was a simple and successful conversation.
It was. Let's talk about how I started. I said, "Excuse me, could you help me please?" This is a very polite and common way to start a conversation with a stranger.
Exactly. Starting politely makes people more willing to help. Now, for the directions I gave, the first phrase was go straight ahead.
This is a fundamental one. It means don't turn, just keep going in the direction you are already facing.
Then I said, walk for about 2 blocks. A block in a city is the area between 2 streets. It gives a good idea of distance.
So if someone says 3 blocks, you know you need to walk past 3 streets.
Correct. I also mentioned a landmark. I said, just past the big red mailbox. A landmark is an object or building that is easy to see and helps you know you are in the right place.
It could be a statue, a bank, a coffee shop, anything easy to spot.
And finally, I specified the location. I said, you'll see it on your left. This tells the person which side of the street they should be looking at. It could be on the left or on the right.
Simple, clear, and effective. Shall we try another one? This time, you can be the tourist, Abby. You're looking for the city museum.
Pardon me, I think I'm a bit lost. How do I get to the city museum?
Don't worry, you're not far. Walk down the street until you get to the traffic lights.
Okay, walk down to the traffic lights.
Yes. At the traffic lights, turn right. Continue walking for about 5 minutes. The museum is a large, old building on your right-hand side. You can't miss it.
Great. So turn right at the lights and walk for about 5 minutes. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy the museum. All right, let's break that one down. Abby, you started with, "Pardon me, I think I'm a bit lost."
Pardon me is another polite way to get attention, just like, excuse me, and telling someone you're lost helps them understand your situation quickly.
Good tip. Now, for my directions, I said, walk down the street until you get to the traffic lights. Until is a key word here. It means you continue walking and stop when you reach the traffic lights.
And traffic lights, of course, are the red, yellow, and green lights at an intersection that control traffic.
Then the crucial instruction. At the traffic lights, turn right. This is a specific action at a specific point. We could also say turn left.
You also gave a time estimate. Continue walking for about 5 minutes. This is very helpful. It's often easier to understand time than distance, like meters or feet.
I agree. And to help you find the museum, I described it a large old building. Giving a short description can be very useful. And I finished with a common phrase. You can't miss it. We say this when we think something is very obvious and easy to find. It's meant to be reassuring.
Okay, on to our next scenario. Avery, this time you're trying to find Central Park.
Excuse me, am I going the right way for Central Park?
You're going in the general direction, but you need to make a turn. Go to the end of this road. At the intersection, take the second left. Then you'll need to cross the street at the crosswalk. The park entrance will be right in front of you.
Okay, let me repeat that. Go to the end of the road, take the second left, then cross the street. Is it far?
Not at all. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Okay, a few new phrases in that one. Let's look at them. I started by saying, go to the end of this road.
That's clear. It means walk until the road finishes. Then you said, at the intersection, take the second left.
This is a very important detail. An intersection is where two or more roads cross, and the second left means you ignore the first opportunity to turn left and you take the next one.
Listeners, be careful with this. Listening for first, second, or third is very important to avoid taking a wrong turn.
It is. Then I said, cross the street at the crosswalk. A crosswalk, also called a pedestrian crossing, is the marked area on the road for people to walk across safely.
It's the black and white stripes on the road. Always use them for safety. And my question, is it far, is a simple way to ask about distance.
Yes, and the answer, it's about a 10-minute walk, gives that helpful time estimate again. Okay, let's do one final, more advanced scenario. I need to find the main train station. Excuse me, sir, I'm trying to find the main train station. Can you point me in the right direction?
Certainly. You're heading the right way. Keep going down this street and go past the post office and a small bookstore.
Okay, past the post office and bookstore.
Then you will come to a roundabout. At the roundabout, you need to take the third exit. The train station is just opposite the Grand Hotel. It's a very big building with a clock tower.
A roundabout, take the third exit, and it's opposite the hotel. Got it. Thank you so much. You've been a great help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Okay, our final scenario had some tricky vocabulary. Let's review it. I said, go past the post office.
The verb go past means you see the location, but you don't stop or turn. You continue on your path.
Then I mentioned a roundabout. This is a circular intersection where several roads meet. They can be confusing for both drivers and pedestrians.
They can. So the instruction, take the third exit, is very specific. You have to count the roads leading away from the circle and choose the correct one.
Yes, imagine the road you entered from is your starting point. You then count the exits in the direction of traffic. 1, 2, 3.
And the final piece of the puzzle was the location. The train station is just opposite the Grand Hotel. Its opposite means it's on the other side of the road, facing the hotel.
And I added another description to help. A very big building with a clock tower. The more details, the better.
And that brings us to the end of our lesson. We've covered a lot of useful language today.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident when navigating a new place. Practice these phrases and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Thanks for joining us on English Bean. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.